fries with, you see the fish. This is just 2 fish that I had. I actually wanted to make this jollof rice with shrimps, but the shrimps is just taking forever for the ice to melt. And as I am right now, no lying, the hunger, I'm really hungry. You guys, like I said, jollof rice is one of those, it's my go-to dish. Very simple to make. When I don't feel like cooking, this is what I go for. Like super simple. So it's almost finished. You just need to steam a little bit. So this is the fish that I make. I'm like, yeah, let's just eat this fish, because this is the shrimp I took out from the freeze, but the shrimps is still very icy, doesn't want to finish. So I'm like, you know what, I already had that fish in the fridge. I was like, okay, let me just use that one instead of going through the stress of waiting for this one to finish. So what I want to do, I want to make salad. So I purchased salad from the store, and I got me some cucumber, tomato, egg, mayonnaise, and I want to make salad with my jollof rice. I just feel like eating salad and I'm eating jollof rice, so I thought, you know what, let's just combine both together. So this is it. I'm boiling my water to put my egg while my jollof rice is almost finished. So by the time I'm done with the salad, hopefully jollof rice is finished, I can eat, because as I am right now, I'm starving. I'm really starving and I'm hungry. Hunger, they catch me. Serious one. Salad is ready and the jollof rice is also ready. The kids are already eating, so now I'm going to dish my own. Like, yes, this, look at this, delicious. This is super delicious. The finished results. Now I'm going to sit down and eat, do Netflix and chill, and drink a cold glass of water. This is my jollof rice and my salad. This is what I actually feel like eating today. Just that I wanted it with shrimps, but you know what, I'll still make the shrimps. I'll fry it, make like a really nice shrimps gravy soup, gravy sauce, and I'll eat it with this jollof rice tomorrow, because that's the reason why I took out the shrimps. But this is what I end up with. This was very simple to make, and enjoy your meal. Bon appetit. Eet smakelijk, zeggen wij in Nederland.